Hello, everyone. I haven't been on a stage in a while, and there are a lot of my Twitter heroes in the audience, so this is pretty exciting. So I would like to take a moment at this machine learning conference to talk about human learning. I spend a lot of time teaching online. It's one of my favorite things to do. I think I'm going to have to press buttons. And I'm sure a lot of people here spend a lot of time on Stackoverflow, and so this is a common story we see there. How do I make a program that counts cows in a video? No example provided, they haven't tried anything. You add a comment that says, okay, what have you tried? My friend said to try HTML. So it's clear that this is not a great question for that platform. This person is very new, and oftentimes, because this question doesn't fit that platform, they don't really get a concrete answer. The question is just too big. What they need is some sort of mentorship. Because mentorship provides a venue for two of these key learning tools, a lot like what you would use to train a neural network. Also useful advice for training people. You need examples and you need experience. More specifically, lots of examples and lots of experience. How do you get that experience? You make something. A lot. You make lots of things. And to get a student to make lots of things, they need to enjoy what they're doing. So last night, with my community online, we made my slides. So right now, if you go to kelsonball.com/draw, you should be able to draw on my slide deck in real time. Turns out turning off touch scrolling is harder than I thought it would be, so mobile devices might have a little fun. Also, don't try and resize the web pages. Look at that. So in about 2 hours, plus some time I spent to get SSL and all sorts of stuff working. We, using VS Code Live Share, Discord voice chat and stuff, we built this. None of us had any idea what we were doing. That was the response of my friends. What? Let's do it. So mentorship enables students to do things they are interested in. This isn't some homework assignment where they have to go home, do something they don't like, come back, submit it. That creates an environment where they do the minimum amount of work necessary. They don't get that exploratory learning. Collaboration and mentorship is also very important for finding the unknown unknowns. You ever have a student raise their hand and say, hey, I don't know what's going on here? Teacher asks, well, what don't you understand? And response is, I don't understand what I don't understand. It's a very hard problem to solve, but if you're working together alongside somebody to build something cool that they're interested in, these get figured out way more effectively. Collaborative coding also teaches about tools, workflow, and style. If you go online to all of these amazing code education platforms online and they teach you how to do a for loop in JavaScript, they're not teaching you how to use Git. They're not teaching you the keyboard shortcuts that experienced coders work. They're not teaching the mindset that developers are in. And if you're collaboratively coding with somebody, these are a natural part of that education process. It also enables exploratory learning. Hey, we made a cool thing today. Maybe I want to make this small change to it. Here was my vision for it. What if we tried doing this other way? And by getting students into this, I can create this mindset, it enables them to go and explore. It gets them coding consistently, which is how you get lots of experience. Thank you very much.